Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we're diving into troubleshooting and repairing Eco 58V batteries. These batteries are great, but sometimes they have problems. We'll cover common issues and how to fix them, saving you money and keeping your tools running. First, let's check the battery's charge level. Press the battery's button. The lights indicate the charge. If no lights appear, or only one flashes, the battery may be dead or have a problem. Next, inspect the battery for physical damage. Look for cracks, dents, or loose connections. Damage can prevent the battery from charging or working correctly. Now, let's talk about common problems. One issue is that the battery won't charge. Make sure the charger is plugged in and working. Test the charger with another compatible battery if you have one. If the charger is faulty, you'll need a replacement. Another problem is that the battery charges, but the tool won't run. This could be a problem with the tool itself, so try a different battery in the tool if possible. If the tool still doesn't work, the tool is likely the issue. Overheating is another common concern. Don't use or charge the battery in direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Let the battery cool down before charging if it gets too hot. Sometimes, a battery might have a thermal overload protection feature that needs time to reset. If your battery seems completely dead, and you've checked the basics, consider resetting it. Some Eco 58V batteries can be reset by holding down the battery test button for a prolonged period, usually around 10 to 15 seconds. This process might vary, so refer to your battery's manual if available. We're now going to discuss how to disassemble your battery for more in-depth checks. Disclaimer: working with lithium-ion batteries can be dangerous. Be extremely careful and wear appropriate safety gear like gloves and eye protection. We're not responsible for any damage or injury that results from your actions. Proceed at your own risk. Start by removing any screws holding the battery case together. Carefully pry the case open. Inside, you'll see the individual battery cells and the circuit board. Check for any loose wires or corroded connections. A multimeter can be used to check the voltage of each cell individually. If one or more cells have significantly lower voltage than the others, they may be faulty. Replacing individual cells is possible, but it requires specialized knowledge and equipment, like a spot welder. Consider the cost of replacement cells and tools versus the cost of a new battery before attempting this. If you are uncomfortable with any of these steps, it's best to take your battery to a qualified repair technician or replace it altogether. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Every bit of support helps us create more content. Share it with other folks you know who use Eco 58V tools. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or your own troubleshooting tips. Your experiences can help others in the community. We'll be back soon with more repair and maintenance videos.